Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use auto attack on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device. And once it is opened up, before tapping on Play Dota, just click on the gear icon at the top left corner. You will now see various different options. Now from this page, click on Options. And now within the game settings, you will see the auto attack option. You can either choose the standard option and you can also use always to attack any enemy that is in range automatically. Once you have chosen your desired auto attack settings, you can go back and start your game, and now auto attack will be enabled on your Dota 2 game. In case you wish to disable it once again, you can go back to the settings menu, and from options you can once again choose the never or the standard options. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use auto attack on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.